My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why. Got out of bed, oh. A morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. Even if I could, it'll all be great. Got your picture on my wall. It reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Last night, got bills to pay. My head just feels in pain. I missed the bus and there'll be hell today. I'm late for work again, but even if I'm there, they'll all imply that I might not last a day. Then you call me and it's not so bad. It's not so bad.